Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use promo codes on the My Talking Tom Friends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the My Talking Tom Friends game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels, which after completing, you will gain access to the full game features. Now, if you have any promo codes that you would like to use, then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, and you will now see the enter promo code option. Go ahead and tap on this, and you can now simply enter your promo code within the given box. Go ahead and type in this code, and then tap on the confirm button. And now, once your promo code has been confirmed, your reward will be given to you within your account right away. And now you can just use your rewards within your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a promo code within the My Talking Tom Friends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.